Welcome back, friends. Today we're going to discuss a material that is in your materials packet that was sent home with you. Today we're going to talk about pin punching. Some of you may have already done the pin punching material in our classroom. Now we each have our own pin punching pad, which is this large piece of pink foam. We have our pin punching tool, which we have given to you inside of a Ziploc bag. To do the pin punching, I need to place down my pin punching mat on a flat surface, a table, not on your couch, a table. The second step I'm going to do is take out the pin punch tool. The pin punch tool is in the bag. The pin punch tool comes with the tool and a piece of foam. If I take the piece of foam apart from the tool, you'll see it's very sharp. I am not going to touch anyone with the sharp part of my pin punching tool. This is a giant thumbtack. You will use it for this pin punching lesson only to be used with your pin punching foam. The pin punching foam and the tool go together. When I am not using or I am not done with my pin punching, I put the tool back inside of the pin punching bag, and I put it someplace that I will remember and it will be safe. We keep all of our materials neat and tidy. Once again, I have my pin punching mat, which is a large piece of pink foam, and I also have my pin punching tool inside a Ziploc bag. I'm going to open my bag, and I'm going to put my pin punching tool and the small piece of foam it's with next to the mat. Here is my mat, here is my tool. You will also be provided pieces of construction paper that have a design on them. For right now, I chose a cowboy boot because that looks like a fun work for me. Yours will look different. This is how we use this tool. With one hand, I'm going to hold down the small square of pink foam. With my other hand, I'm going to grab the tool only by the colored portion of the tool. My tool is white, your tool might be a different color. And I'm going to pick it up. I'm only going to hold the pin away from me. This pin is sharp. You should have an adult with you if you are going to do this work. They should watch to make sure you are okay. I am going to hold my pin with these three fingers, my thumb, my pointer, and my middle finger. I'm going to hold it like I would hold a pencil. I have gripped it. It's not going to fall out of my hand, and I'm only going to punch the construction paper on this pink mat. I didn't pin punch my table, I didn't pin punch my mat, and I most definitely didn't pin punch my hand. To do this work, I'm going to hold down my construction paper, and I'm going to pin through the paper along the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do it right on the line. I'm going to go slow and steady. I am not in a race. Punch, punch, punch. You will notice that every time I punch, it is close to the last place I punched. I'm not punching all the way out here. I'm punching on the line. Also notice, friends, when I am not punching, I put the pin into the pink foam. Here I go again with my 3 fingers, my thumb, my pointer, and my middle finger. I'm going to grab my pin punching tool and I'm going to pin on the line. Punch, 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 punch. And I'm going to go all the way down the line. Watch me. Notice that I don't lift my pin very far. I keep it close to the paper. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Just like if I was a sewing machine. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And you will keep doing this until you have completed the whole picture that is on your construction paper. I'm going to go right to the end of this boot, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with my pin punching work. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Keeping my pin punching tool close to my work. And I'm going nice and slow. I'm not going fast. I'm taking pride in my work. I'm tired, friends. I want to stop. I know I can go back to my pin punching anytime I want, but to put away the material the correct way, I'm going to take my tool and I'm going to put it into the pink foam. Then I'm going to put the tool and the pink foam into the bag, and I'm going to seal the bag. And I'm going to find a place to store my mat, my construction paper, and my pin punching tool together, all in one place. Thank you for joining me for this pin punching lesson. I hope you enjoy making pin punching material. Join me next time when we explore a new material. Bye for now, friends.